How to backup Ebmbook Pro POS data? You can backup or export existing data of the Ebmbook Pro POS to any external or internal device. How to backup the Ebmbook Pro POS data? Click Window icon, then click on Settings button. In the Settings, scroll down to Manage Data Recovery and click on Backup Your Data. From the Export or Backup Data screen, click on Select Backup Location. Choose your preferred location for the data backup. This location can be anywhere on your computer or even to an external device such as USB. Finally, click the red Start Export button. And that's it. Now I will quickly demonstrate how to reset the Ebmbook data. Click Reset Ebmbook under Manage Data Recovery. In order to confirm data reset, you need to type in your login PIN. Ebmbook will erase most of the data initially entered. This includes inventory, customers, orders, and few more. Finally, in few seconds, the Ebmbook software will be restarted. How to import or restore the Ebmbook Pro POS data? Click on Select to Change Directory button. Locate the folder where the data is kept or previously exported to. Finally, click the Start Import Data button. And that's it.
Thanks for watching. Please check other videos to discover more features of the Ebmbook Pro 2.0. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.